Welcome back to SBK Loco. Today we got a fun salsa workshop to take the seriousness out of dancing and make your followers smile. In the social dance world, we tend to take ourselves way too serious. You know, we got to stay on count and everybody needs to know the patterns and so things can get a little stuffy. Now this workshop is to make sure that your follower is just having a good time, because we go to the dance floor to dance and smile and have a good time. Of course, a lot of people are out there to make sure that they're performing on the dance floor, but let's just not worry about them. Okay, so we have 3 movements that I'm going to teach you. My favorite is at the end. If you haven't seen the first one, the link will be in the description down below. It's got over 20,000 views. Just a tip before we start. Very, very important to build up the dance in kind of like the regular, normal social dance way, when you know you're dancing with a partner and you're doing your moves, ba ba ba, and then you add in something fun as the dance progresses. So this first one is going to be a little bit of a hand pop, ba ba ba. So we're going to start this off with a normal left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 7, I'm going to drop to my hand, okay? Now I'm going to pretend that I'm doing this seriously first. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. For example, ba, ba. So we're going to pretend like we're serious, right? So I'm going to kind of pretend I'm being serious. But then, now, like I said, in the first video, you want to make sure that when you're doing this stuff, you're not taking yourself serious. The more silly you're being when you're doing it, the better it's going to work on the follower. Being leaders, we're going to step our 5 out here. Wait for the lady to turn. Okay, so for example, 1, 2, 3, she turns, I turn. Now my hand just goes like this. There's no count to this. You don't even have to step. 1, 2, 3, and you can just kind of like this. And then finally, once you get to a zone, you can pop, 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 pop. 2, 3, leader stepping out, waiting for the lady to turn, going to the back. Now I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to toss the hand. Ba, 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 ba. 1 hand toss. Ask 5, 6, 7 from here. When she does 1, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to pretend like I'm a fancy salsa dancer. And now I'm just going to that, and then ending with the simple turn. The ground is very dirty, so I might get my knees dusty, all for you guys, so please hit the like button. The first one is I'm going to duck down and send her for a crossbody lead. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pretend I'm sending her for a crossbody lead, and then I'm going to duck. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, usually the reaction you get from the follower, she's like, what? Just go with it, but just let her go. Okay. Start off with the crossbody for real. Get her into the motion. Now we go, and I'm gonna turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Just kidding. That one bonus. Okay, last one. Okay, now we're gonna go for my favorite one. The movement for the leaders is not easy, so make sure that you have this movement first. This is the footwork you need to do to make sure you get this done. It's going to be like kind of like a rib chaser. So for example, here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Okay, so that's the footwork for us. So if you can watch me without the follower, here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the first part, we're going to do kind of a hand drop. So I'm going to do a cross body. 1, 2, 3. On here, left hand is going to go from hook to palm towards the back. So for example, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here, 1, 2, 3. This is going to go down and block the follower when she takes her 5. So for example, 5. Now we're going to send her back. Leaders, we need to take a 5 behind the follower. 5. Not too big though, okay? So watch one more time. 5. From here, 6, 7. Here, I'm going to take my 1. She's going to do a hand slide. 1. Now I'm connected with 2 hands. 5, 6, 7. This one, usually I don't try to use the thumb when I'm dancing with the follower, but in this case, it's maybe a little okay. We're going to start off with the normal turn first. Ba, ba, ba. Just to get the feeling. Now I'm going to do the fun move, right over the head. 1, 2, head. Very important. You want to be nice and close to your follower. She's not uncomfortable. Now I'm going to have a look. I send her 5, 6, and 7. Now this movement is very difficult, so you need to be very calm when you do it. Very calm. Boom, boom, boom. You can even get her into the movement by starting off with the outside turn. So for example, prepping the body and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. And the last thing I'm going to say is that I have a trailer for a new movie that we made. Watch the trailer. It's out on the channel. Thank you so much. See you back next time.